Hello Turks and Caicos, this is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 18th of March by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The general situation: the Turks and Caicos Islands remains under the influence of a high-pressure ridge. However, a prefrontal trough to the west will increase cloudiness and may trigger a few isolated showers tonight. Special warnings: a small craft advisory is in effect for Atlantic waters. All area forecasts: weather partly cloudy and breezy today, with isolated showers possible this evening. Winds southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, with gusts up to 25 knots. Sea state: moderate with wave heights of 3 to 5 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, building up to 7 to 8 feet offshore. The daytime high temperature 84 degrees Fahrenheit and the overnight low temperature 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The extended forecast: the frontal boundary will completely stall near the central Bahamas and will bring periods of moderate showers and thunderstorms across the Turks and Caicos Islands on Thursday and Friday. These conditions increase the likelihood of localized flooding, water pooling on roadways, particularly in low-lying and flood-prone areas. Gusty winds and brief heavy downpours are possible with thunderstorms. Thursday, a medium 40 to 60% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Partly cloudy to cloudy, with a high near 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Thursday night, a medium 60% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Partly cloudy with a low around 73 degrees Fahrenheit. New rainfall total accumulation between half an inch and 1 inch. Winds southeast to south at 10 knots or less, falling light and variable at times. Sea state: moderate with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, building up to 6 to 7 feet in easterly swells offshore in Atlantic waters. Sunrise will be at 6:53 a.m. and sunset at 6:59 p.m. Friday, a medium 70% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms in the morning, then a medium 40% chance of scattered showers in the afternoon. Partly cloudy to cloudy, with a high near 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Friday night, a medium 40% chance of scattered showers, partly cloudy with a low around 73 degrees Fahrenheit. New rainfall total accumulation between 1 and 2 inches. Winds southwest to west at 10 to 15 knots, shifting northwest to north in the evening. Sea state: moderate with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, building up to 6 feet offshore in Atlantic waters. Sunrise will be at 6:52 a.m. and sunset at 6:59 p.m. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 18th of March, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.